question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimension this and this can be painted out of this container? Means we are having a container in which paint is kept. By that paint, how much area we can paint? Area to be painted or area can be painted, you can write here, that is 9.375 meters square, and the dimensions of length of brick, that is 22.5 centimeter, width of brick, that is 10 centimeter, and height, that is 7.5 centimeter. We have to paint these bricks and we will find out कि how many bricks we can paint it from the paint which is enough to paint this one. हमें ये बताना है कि how many bricks, हम कितनी bricks को paint कर सकते हैं उतने पेंट से जितना इस एरिया को पेंट करने के लिए पेंट enough है. So first of all हम find out करेंगे total surface area of a brick. हम one brick का total surface area find out करेंगे and we will divide this area with the area of the brick. Then we can get the number of bricks कि हम इतने number of bricks को इस पेंट से जो कि इतने एरिया को पेंट करने के लिए enough है पेंट कर सकते हैं. So first of all find out total surface area of a brick, and the formula for finding the total surface area, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. LB, BH, HL. Students, as you know, a brick is in a cuboid shape and in that cuboid there are 6 faces, out of which 2 faces are identical. 2 faces are using LB, means length and width, 2 are using width and height, and 2 are using height and length. Top and base using length and width. So 2 faces are there, that's why I am writing here 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. All these faces are rectangle. So you will learn this formula, that is the formula for getting the total surface area of a brick, or you can say total surface area of a cuboid. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Put कीजिए अपनी values इधर. 2 into 22.5 multiply with 10 plus BH 10 multiply with 7.5 plus HL 22.5 into 7.5. Now we will solve all these multiply. So first of all I am doing this. So when we will multiply it with 10, you will get 225. Decimal जो है right place पे चला जाएगा, one place. Then 75, and then you will solve this multiply. 22.5 into 7.5, that is come 168.75, and you will write here centimeters square. Now you can add all these terms, and when you will add all these terms you will get 468.75 centimeters square. Now multiply this with this one, you will get 937.5 centimeters square. Now students, हमने total surface area find out किया है. We have find out total surface area of a brick. Total area हम इतना पेंट कर सकते हैं. वन ब्रिक का एरिया दिस वन है, तो हम इस एरिया को वन ब्रिक के एरिया से डिवाइड करेंगे. बट देयर इज वन प्रॉब्लम, एंड दैट इज these are in meter square and these are in centimeter square. तो आपको इन दोनों में से किसी भी एक यूनिट को चेंज करना है. You can change this one or you can change this one. So I am changing it here. I can write it. I will multiply it with 10,000 for making it centimeter square. Why? आप कहेंगे 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. But I am using centimeter square. I am explaining this thing here 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Clear? Square both sides. दोनों साइड स्क्वायर कीजिए. 1 square will be 1 and meter square. 100 square will be 10,000 centimeter square. Maybe this point is clear. So now we can divide. So you will write here number of bricks can be painted. We will divide this area 9.375 into 10,000 divided by 937.5. So first of all, you can cancel the decimal, remove this decimal, and here will come, at the place of decimal, one will come, and here are 3 digits, so we will take 3 zeros. In the same way, this will multiply with 10 because only one place is there, so at the place of decimal 1 you will take, one digit is there, 1 zero will be there. Now cut the zeros, 1, 2, 3, and this is the same number. So what is left, students? 100 bricks. This is your answer.